Assalamualaikum. We are from
Group 4A. Okay, for the final project is we have to settle one of the students, UIT Machan, the name of Lisa. The problem is Lisa have to finish her assignment, so we have to solve Lisa's problem in choosing the component to build one computer. Hi, I'm Nina Hamiza binti Hisham. I'm the first presenter. Today I would like to present my PC proposal. Okay, let's start. First that I choose is monitor, which is we choose the Acer G240CHL f24.0 is a 4 gaming LED monitor, but all the student can use this monitor because this monitor sports a super slim profile with an X-shaped stand that let it fit nicely in spaces of any size. Outstanding performance and smart use of energy complement the sleek design while staying well within budget. This monitor provides slim with amazing HD resolutions. The stunning 24 inches display with 1920x1080 resolutions delivers excellent detail, making it perfect for widescreen HD for gaming, multimedia, and productivity. The DVI-D input with high bandwidth digital content protections allows for viewing of digital movie and copy protected media. You can see the image like the real one. As you know that this monitor is very good for all students. So even though the student is the graphic designer or the student for the gaming, you can choose this monitor to look the image the real one. The price of monitor Acer G24HL f24.0 gaming LED monitor is RM475. Okay, for the next component is motherboard. We choose Asus motherboard Intel S1151-110MD. This motherboard voltage protection is an exclusive circuit design with built-in voltage regulators to protect your chipset, connectivity ports, and audio cords from damage caused by unexpected high-level voltage from unstable of interior power supplies. This motherboard, the DDR4 support that make your memory go faster. It's suitable for any type of student in any courses that they study. They can do assignment within they are the designer student or the gaming student or anything that the courses that they study. But the student also can with DDR4, you will accurate memory frequency up to on incredible to 2130 MHz. And Asus work with almost every DDR4 memory vendor, so you are assured the best compatibility. It is because they are 2 times faster with read speeds, 2 times larger capacity, and 20% lower power consumption. But don't forget that ultra fast transfer speed is instant from panel USB is 3.0 experience, which is the USB 3.0 right where you need it. 2 super speed ports on the front panel. Experience data transfer speed up to 10 times faster than USB 2.0 with instant plug and play connectivity. So no more back-breaking contortions in the hunt for hard-to-reach rear ports. Asus motherboard Intel S1151-110MD is RM299. I hope you understand what I explained just now. Okay, let's start to another component. Let's go. Second is RAM. As you know that RAM or random access memory is a vital hardware component used by Windows 10 PC to store temporary data that can be accessed quickly by software speeding up Essentially, the more RAM you have, the more you can have going on at once. The amount of RAM you need in your PC depends on what you plan on doing. Like gaming, for instance, take a generous amount of RAM, and media editing can take a lot of RAM. Like you can see that, as you know that, like you download the movie or you download the game, it is take your storage or space in your PC. So because of that, we choose Kingston HyperX Fury Black 8GB DDR4 2400 Ci 15 memory RAM. I think that it is enough for Lisa to solve her problem, like she want do their homework or their assignment in a graphic designer. So the specification for this RAM is it is automatic overclocking up to 10,466 MHz. It also runs efficiently at low standard DDR4, which is 1.2 voltage. It also cost efficient high performance DDR4 is upgrade, signature asymmetrical Fury design with low profile heat spreader. Kingston HyperX Fury Black 8GB DDR4 2400 CL 15 memory RAM is RM388. Component number 4 is computer case. As you know, computer case, also known as a computer chassis, tower, system unit, cabinet, or base unit, is the enclosure that contains most of the components of a computer, usually excluding the display, keyboard, and mouse. Cases can come in many different sizes, known as form factors. The size and shape of a computer case is usually determined by the form factors of the motherboard, since it is the largest component of most computers. Consequently, personal computer form factor typically specify only the internal dimensions and layout of the case. Form factors for rack-mounted and blade server may include precise external dimensions as well, since these cases must then fit in specific enclosure. So we choose computer case ATX Extreme 100 series. The price of computer case, which is ATX Extreme 100 series, is RM85. The last component that I will explain to you is a processor, or we call CPU. A processor is the logic circuitry that responds to and processes the basic instructions that drive a computer. The CPU also is a chip installed on the motherboard, from which it interacts with the rest of the components in the computer. Without the CPU, the computer wouldn't function. When evaluating computers, the speed and power of the CPU are a direct reflections of the speed and power of the computer itself. As you know that, I already explained to you about the motherboard, which is the motherboard only support processor that have a 6th generation Intel, either a Core i3 or Core i5 or Core i7. So in this situation, or in the chosen the processor, we choose 6th generation Intel Core i3 processor that have the processor's number is i3 6300. For the memory type is in the Intel 6th generation i-Core 3 is a DDR4, which is in the motherboard. It will make your memory go faster. For the maximum memory bandwidth in this processor is 34.1 GB. So for the overall this CPU, the price is RM550. So it's suitable for students to buy it and having it in their computer.
I think all components that I just explained just now is very clear to you. Okay, let's continue with next presenter.
Assalamualaikum. I'm as our second presenter. My name is Amira Hidayah binti Azuddin. Okay, without wasting time, I would like to show you the next component that I will explain to you.
Okay, let me start with the first component, which is OS stand for Operating System. We decide to choose operating system Windows 10 for Lisa problem in their studies. It is because the Windows 10 is faster starts up, a familiar yet expanded start menu, and create new ways to get stuff done, even across multiple devices. Windows 10 lets Lisa to create her own private app section in the Windows Store for convenient access to company applications. Moreover, Windows 10 is a multi-doing. It can create virtual desktop to get more space and work with the items that Lisa wants. Windows 10 is best for gaming and export, so Lisa can use the game DVR feature, for example, to record the greatest hero moves and send to the friends instantly without leaving the game. The price included in Microsoft Windows 10 Pro is Rm330 and 54 cents. Next component is a hard disk drive. We choose model Seagate 1000 DM010. Okay, first of all, a hard disk drive is a non-volatile computer storage device containing magnetic disk operators rotating at high speeds. It is second storage device used to store data permanently, random access memory or RAM being the primary memory device. The capacity that provided in this model is 1 terabyte. And the speed of this hard drive is 7,200 RPM. For the maximum read rate, it consists 600 MB per second. The price for the Seagate Barracuda ST1000 DM010 is 168 ringgit.
Oh, sorry. I think the component and the price that I explained just now are suitable for Lisa as a student. Okay, let's move to another component.
As I promised to you guys, I will explain the next component, which is power supply. We choose power supply 36W48B 0.8A single output switchable power supply for Lisa. Okay, let me explain to you what is power supply. Power supply is an electrical device that supplies electric power to an electrical load. The primary function of a power supply is to convert electric current from a source to the correct voltage, current, and frequency to power the load. We choose this power supply for Lisa because it is withstand 300 VAC surge input for 5 seconds and it is no load power consumption. Moreover, it is high operating temperature, up to 70 degrees Celsius. The best for this power supply is because it is high efficiency, long life, and high reliability. The price for this single output switchable power supply is 41 ringgit and 90 cents. Let's move with another component. For the network card, we choose StarTech ST1000 BT32 for Lisa. If you guys don't know what is network card, a network card is an electronic device that connects a computer to a computer network, usually a LAN. It is considered a piece of computer hardware. It is compatible with IEEE. For the operating system, it includes Linux, Windows, XP 64-bit, Vista, and more. Furthermore, the PCI-based 10 or 100 or 1000 megabyte per second gigabit Ethernet network adapter card. The price for this network card is 87 ringgit and 54 cents. Graphic card. For the graphic card, we choose MSI GeForce GTX 1050 Dual Fan 2GB GDDR5 graphic card. Graphic card, also known as a video card, is an expansion card which generates a feed of output image to a display, such as a computer monitor. For the product details for this graphic card, for the chip factory, it is NVIDIA, and the chip model is GM107. For the performance, Pascal-powered graphic cards give you superior performance and power efficiency, built using ultra-fast FinFET. And it is also deliver the fastest, smoothest, most power efficient gaming experience. With their aluminium core design, solid CAPs have been a staple in high-end component designs and provide lower equivalent series resistance (ESR), as well as its over 10 years lifespan. The price for this graphic card is 639 ringgit, and we think this is the affordable price for Lisa.
Okay, sorry guys, I want to take break for a while. Hey Tira, you are the last presenter, right? Okay, come here. Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Shwana Atira Homanase. I'm the last presenter, and I will present you about other components, which is a printer, speaker, and software. That's all.
For the keyboard, we choose a mechanical keyboard, which is steampunk like MK5. It is programmed advanced RGB lighting color, IPX7 waterproof rating, double color injection modeling technology, and 50 million times of keyboard lifespan. This keyboard is also a gamer first choice because it includes 104 keys, built-in game chips, advanced mechanical switch technology, and crispy typing sound give you more pleasant sensations. The price for keyboard is 236 ringgit and 9 cents.
Next is mouse. We choose a wireless mouse that is a hardware input device used to interface with a computer system. Because of Lisa is a graphic designer student, so we choose Logitech M330 Silent Plus wireless mouse, which is Lisa can enjoy the sound of silence without missing a bit of disturbing those around her. Silent might have the same click feel without the click noise, which is over 90% noise reductions. Its high performance feel quietly glide over the desktop. The might also have 24-month battery life, so M330 Silent Plus automatically put itself to sleep when not in use. Lisa may enjoy a wireless connections up to 10 meters away.
The price for mouse is 52 ringgit and 90 cents.
Okay, for the printer, as you know, a printer is an output device that print paper documents. This includes text documents, image, or a combination of both. The two most common types of printer are inkjet and a laser printer. Inkjet printers are commonly used by consumers, while laser printers are a type choice for businesses. So for Lisa, we choose PISMA Prisma MG3070S, which is this model is combining 2-in-1 to be as a printer and a scanner.
For the printer, the price is 199 ringgit.
Next is speaker. We choose wireless Bluetooth speaker. It is compact and round appearance, fashionable and distinctive. It is so easy to carry anywhere we can go because it is foldable and mini size. It suits for travel. It also supports micro SD card and USB.
For the speaker, the price is RM21 ringgit. Firstly, Adobe Dreamweaver. Adobe Dreamweaver is a software program for designing web pages, especially a more fully featured HTML web and programming editor. The program provides a what you see is what you get interface for users to create and edit web pages in a more user-friendly environment. Next is Adobe Director. Adobe Director is a multimedia application authoring platform created by Macromedia and now managed by Adobe Systems. It also was a premier software to develop cross-platform multimedia content. Next is AutoCAD. AutoCAD is a 2D and 3D computer-aided drafting software application used in architecture, construction, and manufacturing to assist in preparations of blueprints and other engineering plans. So, Lisa can use AutoCAD software for drafting. Next is C++. C++ is the one of most popular language primarily utilized with system or application software, driver, client-server applications, and embedded firmware. C++ includes several operators such as comparison, bit manipulation, and logical operator. We choose CEV C++ software for Lisa because it is free C compiler and IDE for Microsoft Windows. Okay, next is Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word 2010 is a word processing program designed to help Lisa create professional quality documents. With the fitness document formatting tools, Word helps Lisa organize and write Lisa documents more efficiently. Okay, next is Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program included in the Microsoft Office suite of applications. Spreadsheet present table of value arrangement in row and columns. that can be manipulated mathematically using both basic and complex arithmetic operations and functions. Okay, lastly is Microsoft Access. Microsoft Access is a database management system, DBMS, from Microsoft that combines the Relations Microsoft Jet database engine with a graphical user interface and software development tools. Microsoft Access stores data in its own format based on the Access Jet database engine. It can also import and link directly to data stored in other applications and databases. The price for Adobe Dreamweaver is 60 ringgit. The price for Adobe Script is 50 ringgit. And the price for Adobe Director is also 60 ringgit.
Did you all hear what my friends and I already present just now about all components and software? I hope that those components will help Lisa in study and doing her assignments. As conclusion, did you hear what we explained all components just now? If you are clear, I hope you support and enjoy our video in our final project.
Thank you for watching. Bye.